Ooh, the dungeon. Should we put the missionaries in the dungeon?
The last missionaries that came by. That's my wine cellar. You know, if you won't repent, we'll have to push you off the tower. Olive oil. That can't be right. I'm better than you. No, really, we're all children of God, and that makes us all royalty. Whatever. I'm rich. That's all that matters.
Put him in the dungeon.
You need to be humbled.
The outtakes are probably going to be the funniest part.
This is for our outtakes reel. Hello, parents. Will all parents go to heaven?
I'm hungry.
You're hungry? How about some green jello with carrots in it? I think Sabrina threw him into the sun.
Yeah, I like pancakes.
Pancakes? I like pancakes. We love breakfast. Waffles and sausage and eggs and pancakes.
Don't burn him in the sun.
Hamburgers, yummy, yummy. Missionaries love to eat. Sorry, elders, all we have is fish and lemons. Lemons prevent scurvy.
Enough vitamin C.
There's treasure up here. They were holding out on you pirates.
You want to take a little video? Here you go.
Oh,
Okay, Jonathan's in control now.